Dr. Mrs. Sorochi Otto, my dear Bono, Kamasi Jenganga. Again, our beautiful cultural heritage. Cultural dance. Whatever you do, the best. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. That was a beautiful performance. Thank you, please. Thank you.
May I humbly invite Dr. Ezebo Eze to come and read the citation of Dr. Ezebo Eze, PhD Cambridge, to come and read the citation of Professor Henry Z. Orochukwu. I invite Dr. Ezebo Eze, PhD Cambridge, to come and read the citation of Professor Henry Chukwuemeka Orochukwu. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Papa. Grace. Simon Chukwu. This is SA21. Francis Aga, Isaac Kuka Eseri, Ebunu Namdi Steven, Udoma Kawakana, the CEO John Garas Oil, you are welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nobiko, we recognize Mrs. Raymond, the representative of the CMD, VVM, Abakleke, and Honorable Princess Ogeji Anaso, Lieutenant Officer to the Governor of Lagos State, and Dr. Ezewezi, PhD, Cambridge. I recognize the presence of the President of Government Secondary School, Udara Alumni Association, Engineer Okari, you are welcome.